What's up, guys? Welcome back to another community crypto video. I'm just going to go through the basics of what's happened to Bitcoin and breaking out of the long-term support. So if that seems interesting, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Welcome back, guys. I just want to do this quick update because Bitcoin's dumping. Whenever it breaks long-term support or if it breaks down, I always say we're sinking like the Titanic, which it looks like we're doing at the moment. So we've broke this long-term support from the 21st of July. We've been getting higher highs and higher lows. Get the high, we get a lower high from here, and then we get a higher high. We've got another higher high here as well. But with the indicator that I normally use, if I go to the weekly charts and I just scroll down, you can see here, this indicator is showing that there's a divergence. Okay, so bearish divergence on the weekly. So even though we've made a higher high, if we go back to this chart, you can see here we've made a higher high. There's less volume coming into the actual market. So I'll keep an eye out for this. If this bearish divergence plays out and we break support that we've already touched now at 42,000, we could come all the way back down, all the way down to these support levels here, around about this area here, 31 to 28,000. So we could either see a bounce from here. We just have to wait and see what happens. For more technical analysis, if we go down to the 4 hour, we can see, just reset the chart here. So we've broken down. There's a big wick here because it's probably filled a lot of buy orders. People probably had entries all the way down there and that's filled them. But I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to the support level before heading back up, or if we get a retest. So we've come down, we go back, get a retest of this previous support line, which will become resistance, and then either get a double bottom, and we could make our way back up, or we just break the support level, and then we would need to look for the next support level all the way down in these regions down here. Let's hope it doesn't go there, but it's Bitcoin, does whatever it wants to do. Yeah, so that's a basic update for Bitcoin. Ethereum, broken down this support past the support line here. We're still in this upwards trend for the support line. We haven't broken that yet, so we could still bounce off of here, do a double bottom W pattern and make our way back up. But if we break this, then I would just be careful of putting on any positions, because there's probably a lot of buy entries down here, around about here as well, and in these sections here. So if you put in any long positions, just be careful that it'll go up, fill your order, and then if the bears are in control, it'll come back down, guys. So just be careful and wary of that. Ethereum still looks like we're making high highs and high lows. I haven't got a divergence, small divergences here, but nothing too big to worry about. Let's see if we go to the weekly. I've got a divergence there that didn't play out. So we could get a divergence here because the volume here is lower. So there's a high and then a lower high. So we could get a divergence there on the weekly. But all in all, Ethereum is still in an uptrend, high highs, higher lows. We haven't broken that yet. Going down to the 4 hour, you can see there's a big hammer there at this line. So could bounce back up. I think that I normally do with the hammers is to make sure it's validated. I was taught that if it's above the 38.2, it's a valid hammer. So you can see on the fibs, it's above the 38.2. So we could get a bounce off here. Only time will tell. And another coin that everyone's looking at the moment is Shiba. Shiba, we broke out, we hit resistance, and we've come back down, broken that support, and we're still bouncing off this trend line, which was previous resistance, which is now support. So if we hold above this, we could get a bounce. Go there, up, double bottom, and then start making our way up. But only time will tell, and we will have to wait and see. Thanks, guys. That's a quick update, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Cheers, guys.